It is 44 minutes after 6 o'clock, which means the show's almost over. No, I want an extra hour. I'm just kidding. But anyways, we got to enjoy this afternoon, though. We're going to be looking at temperatures getting to those mid-50s in both Central Texas and the Brazos Valley. We are going to start off cool, and it's going to be quite chilly throughout the course of the overnight hours of tonight, getting down to those low 30s in Central Texas and mid-30s in the Brazos Valley. But we're going to see winds shift to a more southwesterly flow, and that's going to help our temperatures climb up to those lower 60s on Saturday in both locales and upper 60s on Sunday in both locales before we get a really good chance of showers and a good bit of rain, maybe around an inch. Could see a few rumbles of thunder as well for your Monday with that area of low pressure. And then the jury's still out, but I think late Wednesday into early Thursday, we have another good chance of rain. And for Central Texas especially, we could be seeing some wintry mixes as well, especially as we head through early Thursday morning. I think the Brazos Valley for the most part is all rain for right now, but that obviously could change. As we time all this out for you, this is at around 2 o'clock on Monday afternoon, quite a bit of rain. All of Central Texas getting the backstage pass to this rainy concert, and we'll have a little bit more in terms of shower activity possibly to start Wednesday, but mainly late overnight into early Thursday morning is when we get that next batch of rain, and that could change on over to maybe even sleet, freezing rain, maybe even a few snowflakes or graupel as well as that frontal boundary passes through. It depends on how much moisture is still left behind that Arctic front and what those temperatures are when that moisture still hangs around. But by the time we get to Thursday, it's just going to be a very cold afternoon across Central Texas. But in terms of rain, we could take what we could get, mainly in our northwestern zones, because we have a severe drought for places like Meridian, as well as Hamilton, Gatesville, Comanche, Brownwood, as well as Goldthwaite and Lampasas. But I think that's going to change on Monday, especially with that big area of rain sliding on through. But it's dry right now in downtown Temple as we take a look at our tower cam. Temperatures in those mid-30s, feeling like those upper 20s when you factor in those northerly winds. Temperatures are going to hover around those low to mid-30s to low to mid-40s in the Brazos Valley, and a little bit colder in some of our western zones. A lot of that shower activity that I talked about yesterday at 5, that's now mainly south of I-10, so that's definitely going to keep us dry throughout the course of the day. There are those highs once again mid to upper 50s across all of Central Texas, and it's pretty much a snuggle up night with lower 30s and upper 20s for lows tonight. And as a result of that, I'm going to give that an 8 on that Jordan meter.